Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, the MZK A3L1800 printhead DTF printer. This incredible device has been making waves with its cutting-edge features and user-friendly design, and I'm excited to dive in and show you just what it can do. From high-speed printing to innovative maintenance systems, this printer is packed with features that are going to change the way you work and create. So, let's get started and take a closer look. One of the most impressive aspects of the MZK A3L1800 printhead DTF printer is its approach to ink and powder supplies. Imagine having 2 years of free ink and powder, starting from 2025, with 5 bottles of 250 milliliters ink and 500 g of powder delivered to your doorstep every 2 months. That's a savings of over $1,000 on supplies, just covering shipping. This is a game changer for anyone who uses their printer regularly, whether you're a small business owner, an artist, or just someone who loves to create. No more worrying about running out of ink or powder or breaking the bank to keep your printer stocked. With this offer, you can focus on what matters most, bringing your ideas to life. Another feature that really stands out is the one-touch ink fill system. We've all been there, trying to refill our printer, spilling ink everywhere, and making a mess. But with the MZK A3L1800, those days are behind us. The one-touch ink fill system makes it easy to prep your printer and get started without any of the hassle or mess. This is a huge time saver, and it's also a lot less stressful. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who values convenience, this feature is going to make a big difference in your printing experience. The MZK A3L1800 is also designed for stability, with a dual-core upgrade that provides a safer and faster printing experience. The built-in motherboard fuse can prevent damage, and the upgraded motor ensures stable and high-speed performance even under heavy load usage. This means you can print with confidence, knowing that your device is built to last and can handle whatever you throw at it. Whether you're printing large quantities or working on complex projects, this printer has got you covered. And with its high-speed printing capabilities, you'll be able to get your work done quickly and efficiently without sacrificing quality. But what really sets the MZK A3L1800 apart is its easy maintenance system. The built-in 3-in-1 system continuously circulates, mixes, and cleans the ink, guaranteeing consistently smooth nozzle performance even during downtime. The integrated peristaltic ink supply and automatic cleaning system eliminate residue and air, minimizing manual maintenance and making it easy to keep your printer in top condition. This is a huge benefit for anyone who hates dealing with clogged nozzles or messy ink cleanup. With the MZK A3L1800, you can focus on printing, not maintenance. Finally, the preheating function and negative pressure ink suction membrane system are the icing on the cake. This system handles A3 and A4 sheets with ease, keeping the ink flowing smoothly and preventing jams. Whether you're printing large or small quantities, this feature ensures that your work comes out perfectly every time. And with the MZK A3L1800's 2880 dpi resolution and 13-inch max print width, you'll be able to create stunning, high-quality prints that will impress anyone. In conclusion, the MZK A3L1800 printhead DTF printer is an incredible device that is packed with features that will change the way you work and create. From its free ink and powder supplies to its one-touch ink fill system, dual-core upgrade, easy maintenance, and preheating function, this printer has everything you need to bring your ideas to life. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the MZK A3L1800 printhead DTF printer today and discover a whole new world of printing possibilities. Don't miss out on this opportunity to take your creativity to the next level. Join the thousands of satisfied customers who have already made the switch to the MZK A3L1800. Get ready to unleash your full potential and create something amazing.